When the animation is done and we're ready to export our final film, I export a SWF file. I import that file into a program called Swivel to convert it to an MP4 file. Swivel used to be the only way to make sure that the exported video would be smooth with no lost or dropped frames. It was also the best way to get a high quality video without a huge file size. Now, Adobe Animate's export system is a lot better, but the way it works now is that it only exports an uncompressed QuickTime movie file, which is usually a really big file, and then you can convert that to a smaller file using Adobe Media Encoder. So I still prefer Swivel because I'm used to it and it avoids creating the huge file that I then have to delete anyways. Once the scenes are published to a SWF and converted to an MP4, I will bring them into Adobe Premiere. This is where I assemble the final edit by putting all the scenes together. Sometimes when there is a lot of switching between scenes, for example when it keeps switching between the stick figures being in the Skyblock world and Orange being in the Nether, I'll group the scenes that take place in the same environment into one Flash document so that when I bring them into Premiere, all I have to do is split them up and arrange them as needed. This is where I also add the outro to the end. I'll record myself saying the outro, usually it'll take about 50 tries. I stick that in and add whatever graphics or text that I need on top of my face. And then I add credits and slap on the outro music, export it from Premiere and upload it to YouTube. And that's pretty much it for my animation process. It has a lot of different steps, many of them happening simultaneously and being done by a bunch of different people. So my role now is more of a director's role, and I spend most of my time overseeing the process rather than doing each of these tasks myself. But because I used to do each of these parts myself for a long time, I know what it takes to do each of these jobs, which is an important advantage when managing other artists. But since this course is called Stick Figure Animation, we can't be done without animating a full stick figure animated short film in the spirit of the original animator versus animation video. So in the next section of the course, you're invited to follow along as I create an entire 30-second long animated video from scratch. It'll be a lot of fun, so let's get started.